To show menu bars while scrolling a web page on the Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right, and then tap Setting, tap Layout and Menus, and then tap the gray on offset next to show menu bars while scrolling until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tap the back key twice. Now scroll down the currently open web page. You can see that now Samsung Internet app will always show the menu bars at the bottom of the screen while you are scrolling down the web page. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.